Do you know Elon Musk just said Neuralink will let quadriplegics walk again and the completely blind see? And then he said in 3 words that stopped me cold: Jesus level miracles. Now, whatever you believe, pause on that phrase, because 2,000 years ago, the miracles that changed history were exactly this. The blind received sight. The paralyzed stood up and walked. The deaf heard. We call that divine. Today, a company is putting it on a product roadmap. Here's what most people scrolling past that tweet completely missed. They argue about whether it's real, whether Elon's overpromising, whether the timeline's honest. Wrong question. Because while the internet debates the miracle, someone is funding it. Every breakthrough in that tweet, restoring sight, restoring movement, is not a prayer. It's a capital allocation right now on somebody's balance sheet. And that's the part I actually care about. I spent years tracking one thing: where institutional money actually goes. Not the headlines, not the hype, the disclosed record, the filings, the positioning, the money that moves before the story breaks. Because miracles don't announce themselves on day one. They show up first as a quiet flow of serious capital into a category almost nobody's talking about yet: the blind seeing, the paralyzed walking, brain interfaces, bionic vision, regenerative medicine, surgical robotics. This isn't science fiction anymore. It is a sector, and sectors leave a trail. But let me be straight with you, because I won't sell you a fairy tale. Most miracle companies fail. For every breakthrough that reacts or treats a patient, there's a graveyard of names that raise a fortune, promised the world, and delivered nothing. The history of frontier technology is mostly wreckage. So I don't do price targets. I don't tell you what's going to go to the moon. Anyone who does is guessing or lying. What I do is different. I show you the disclosed record, who's actually building this, what the verified filing says, where the institutions with real research budgets are quietly positioning, and just as important, where they are not. Because here's the truth about a miracle: by the time it makes the front page, by the time Elon tweets it to 600,000 people, the smart money has already been there for years. The edge was never in the announcement. The edge was in reading the disclosed record before the miracle had a name. So I did the work. I pulled together the companies operating at this exact frontier, the ones genuinely building toward what that tweet described: restoring sight, restoring movement, restoring and repairing what medicine used to call it impossible. And next to each one, I lay out what the disclosed record actually shows: the verified data, the institutional footprint, no hype, no promises, just what's real. So you can decide what it means for you. If you want that report, I'll send it to you free. Here's all that you need to do. Comment one word below: miracles. Just that, miracles. Comment it, and I sent you the report on the companies building Jesus level miracles and what the disclosed record reveals about each one. 2,000 years ago, you had to witness a miracle to believe it. Today, you just have to know where to look. Comment miracles, I will show you where.